Chapter 6 Triangles Theorem 6.1 Basic Proportionality Theorem, shortly noted by BBT or Thales Theorem. Statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. See, in this statement, it's a given part. What is a given part? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, up to this is a given part. What we are going to prove? The proving statement is, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is a proving part. For proving this theorem, first we draw a required diagram. So draw the triangle. The triangle is named as ABC. Draw a line DE parallel to BC. Here the two lines are parallel. So first write the given result and proving result. So given ABC is a triangle. Also DE is parallel to BC. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So for proving this result, we need some construction. So construction is, so draw the line EN which is perpendicular to AB. Also draw the line DM which is perpendicular to AC. So write the construction. Draw EN which is perpendicular to AB and DM which is perpendicular to AC. Also join BE and CD. Now starts the proof. So we know that area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Using this result, we can find the area of a triangle ADE and the triangle BDE, also ADE with the base AE area of a triangle DEC. First, area of a triangle ADE with the base AD. This equal to half base as a AD, height as a EN, vertical height. Now find the area of a triangle BDE. So BDE, this triangle. Area of a triangle BDE is equal to base as a BD. So half base BD, height, vertical height is a EN. So we know that in obtuse angle triangle, the vertical height lies outside the triangle. So that area of a triangle BD is equal to half base BD, height EN. Now find the area of a triangle ADE with base AE. Half base AE, the vertical height DM. Now find the area of a triangle DEC. This is DEC. This is a acute triangle DEC. This is equal to half base EC, height DM, vertical height. Here also the triangle DEC is an obtuse angle triangle. The vertical height surely lies outside the triangle. So that area of this triangle is equal to half base EC, height DM. Now find the ratio of the first two and the ratio of the last two. Now area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle BDE. This equal to half AD into EN. This divided by half BD into EN. So half of get cancelled and EN also get cancelled. Now find the ratio of the last two. So this equal to AD by DB or BD. Anyway we can write. Now area of the triangle ADE by area of a triangle DEC. This equal to half base AE, height DM by half base EC, height DM. Here also this half can get cancelled and DM also get cancelled. This is equal to AE by EC. The previous one noted by number 1 equation and this is noted by number 2 equation. So now look the diagram. The triangle BDE and the triangle DEC having the same base DE between the same parallels. The triangles having same base between same parallels or equal in area. That's a standard result. Using that result, area of these two are equal. So area of a triangle BDE and the area of a triangle DEC is equal to equal. So we know that triangle BDE and the triangle DEC having the same base DE. Also between the same parallels. DE and BC. Therefore, area of these two are equal. Area of a triangle BDE is equal to area of a triangle DEC. So now look the equation number 1 and 2. The numerator was same. Area of a triangle ADE, here also area of a triangle ADE. And look the denominator, area of a triangle BDE, here area of a triangle DEC. But here they are same. This is noted by number 3. So from 1 to 3, we conclude that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now our result is proved. Our result is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, hence proved. Thank you.